Determine whether f of x equals 2 minus x to the sixth is even, odd, or neither. Remember, for a function to be even, we need f of negative x to be equal to f of x. And for it to be odd, we need f of negative x to equal the opposite of f of x. So what we have to do in either case is evaluate the function at negative x and see if the result is equal to the original function, its opposite, or neither. So substituting in negative x into this function gives us 2 minus negative x to the sixth power. And of course, I am using the shortcut of calling it negative x. I should be saying the opposite of x, but it's just a little bit shorter to say negative x. Anyways, when we have a negative to an even power, those negatives cancel out. And so this is going to become 2. And the subtraction sign is still there, but the negatives here end up canceling. And that's going to be x to the sixth. And we can see that what we've ended up with is equal to the original function. So that means that this is an even function. So we can conclude this is even. And in fact, anytime we have a polynomial and all of the terms are even powers of x or constant terms, remember a constant term like 2 is still the same as 2x to the 0 because x to the 0 equals 1. So that still counts. Whenever we have all of the terms of a polynomial being even powered, the function ends up being even because whenever you take a negative and raise it to an even power, you get a positive. So those negatives all cancel out. And the function, when we plug in negative x, is equal to the original function, which makes it even.